DeCorys' birthday. We are out early in the morning because I'm a last minuter, of course. And it's kind of hard to get to the store with all 5 of the kids. So he's off work today. It's Good Friday. And he's at home with Nehemiah and the baby. They're still asleep. And I have Naomi, Nia, and Nathaniel with me. So we're headed to the store right now.
Yeah. At the store for that child's birthday.
Yeah, we're about to get that as some gifts for his birthday because we're last minute. We're last minute. So me, DeCorys, me, Naomi, Nia, and Bubba's. That's what we're doing.
Green.
Green. Yes.
Uh-oh. Here goes the colors.
So, hang out with us and see what we get.
Blue.
We're at Walmart trying to figure out what to get DeCorys. And the girls wanted to get him this. A jug, because we drink a lot of Crystal Light. But the jug that we have to keep pulling it out of the fridge and stuff. That one will be easier for the kids to get their own juice. And then he loves a movie that I just got. So I'll show you all that later. What you want?
Mommy, can we get on a bow?
A bow?
No, girls. The boys will use a bow.
We put bows on on Christmas presents too. It's okay.
Favorite color.
Blue is one of his favorite colors. Blue?
Here, we can get light blue or dark blue.
You want to get one of the bows over here?
Might as well get the bows too.
Let's see what bag we're going to get. With the gifts we got him, the kids wanted cake balls instead of cake. So hopefully he likes that because we've never had cake. Well, we had cake pops, but they're like just cake balls. So hopefully they like that. Girls, are y'all happy with the gifts?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bubba, are you happy with the gifts? That's his version of yes. So now we're headed home, about to cook breakfast. And we have a whole day planned, so. Hey, we are about to give Dada his birthday gifts. Ooh, y'all ready? Who goes first? The girls picked that out for you. Oh, there's cards on the top though, so read the cards.
Nathaniel and Nehemiah.
Nehemiah wrote his own name. Let me see it. Nehemiah wrote his name. He did that.
Dad, who needs a gift? And you have me as a daughter. Oh, happy birthday.
She wrote that all by herself.
So the cards that was on this gift.
Yeah. They picked that.
Legos.
No.
Hey, this is gonna be mine.
They said it would be easier to put the Crystal Light in there.
So I guess I'm
Okay, get that gift. There's a card on there too.
This is the last one.
Yeah. Well, there's a bag right there too, but that's not really.
Dre, no.
Yeah, there's only 4 cards in that packet, so I was like, I gotta add a kid with mine. Yeah. Let him open that one.
Oh, it's like a DVD in here. Oh, what's this? Let me see. I'm gonna put it to the camera first. Y'all see that?
It's upside down. We see it. Hopefully you like it.
Let's see. Oh! We're eating them now.
Well, you can eat them whenever.
Okay.
Yep, you can eat them whenever. So, you're good. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, appreciate y'all. You need to put it in the refrigerator?
No, they weren't in the fridge when we got them. So.
Okay.
Look
I wasn't expecting
at
that
him.
for it, though.
Look at him.
Cake.
What is in your head, boy? Is that breakfast in his head? Eggs.
Eggs.
Boy, oh my gosh.
Happy birthday to
Thank
you.
y'all. Oh, thank you so much. So blessed. So blessed. Man, we watching that for it.
Oh, here we going. You ready to come?
Rainforest Cafe.
Happy birthday, DeCorys!
Thank you, thank you. I am 42 minus 2. No, I'm 42. I'm thankful.
42 and looking good.
Thank you. Thank you.
And y'all ready?
Yeah.
Nathaniel was asleep in the house.
Yeah. Yeah, I can show no. I can take the phone and show Noah's face.
I'll cut it.
Noah, you ready?
We are here. We just made it to the Rainforest Cafe. Well, y'all ready? You ready, Naomi?
I'll grab.
You gonna grub? She said she gonna grub. Oh my goodness, my kids are missing. You know, he got marker on his face.
Mommy,
it was just on his hand. He just woke up, so he
Mommy.
looked a little cranky.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, I speak to Noah. He was happy.
He was happy? No, but it was sweating. Look at, oh, now you're happy, baby.
Yeah.
He gets so hot in the car. He wants the air on. And Buddy, I think he's a little overstimulated because Noah was crying.
Mommy,
so.
help.
I know. She's such a big girl. She be helping us out. Nia, you ready to eat, girl? Buddy, you ready to eat? You ready to eat, Nobo? You eat round the clock, so you ready to Corey? Happy birthday! You can't go over there.
But what does the sign say?
Rainforest Cafe.
What's over there?
You can't go over there, honey. Hey, Bubba. You see the butterfly? He said, wow. You see the butterfly? Yeah, butterfly. Nathaniel is terrified of the gorilla that's right here next to us. And it keeps moving, so of course it's not not really a fan.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mom, and Mom, at the theme park, all gorillas eat that.
You saw gorillas eat that?
Yeah.
Yeah? There's Nobodo.
Yeah, but I didn't see gorillas around. I did see gorillas.
You didn't see gorillas around?
Protect you.
Jesus will protect you so he don't have to be afraid. I know. I know. He's terrified. Oh, poor baby. There's the storm. Uh-oh. I don't. Oh, Nathaniel's scared. It's the gorilla. Noah is like, what is going on? See? What do you see? What? He's looking around. Well, now he's just looking at me. You like lemon's the best? See, remember when she was younger, she tried it and she liked it. Such a weird child. All right, we just got our food. I got a beastly burger and fries with some hot honey sauce. Buddy got fries. Is it good, Buddy? Yum, yum. DeCorys got hot honey chicken. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Nathaniel got chicken and fries. Go ahead, you're good. Thank you. And then Naomi Naomi and Nia got chicken and fries. And Noah's gonna eat whatever I eat. Aren't ya? Hi, baby. Is your food good, Nia? Yeah, Naomi, is your food good? Bubba, is it good?
You barely eating.
I know, he still thinks on that gorilla. Is yours good, DeCorys? It looks amazing. Nehemiah, is it good? Mine is slamming. So good. Yeah. Is that an alligator? We at Alley Cats. It's our first time coming. It is 8:30. We out tonight, ain't we, DeCorys?
Oh yeah.
We hanging tonight, and the kids is hanging with us. All right. Y'all ready to go play?
Yeah.
Y'all ready to go get beat?
Yeah.
You ready to get beat? Let's go. We here. It's our first time here. Ready, Nobodo? Here they are. I think the kids want to play games. Virtual reality? Okay. Go ahead, y'all can play whatever. They wanted the virtual reality game. How much is How many tickets is this? This is probably one that's like 30-something tickets. 26. No, I don't know. Buddy, come on.
Mom, why that is moving?
Huh?
It's moving.
Yeah, she's on a boat. She's on a boat. Look at Bubba. Oh, you about to go? I think we might be able to see what she's seeing.
Mommy!
You're good, Nia. It was fun. She said it was fun. I'm gonna do it again. You liked it? Corey only got 3. All them bricks. Oh, it's not keeping track of your points. That's messed up.
Oh, I got right.
Yes, baby.
My clothes are dry.
Okay.
I'm not wet.
There you go. Yeah, like that. Move your hand. Bubba in the way, bro. Bubba can't stop.
Right there.
Wait.
3.
Good job, Nia.
You can do it. birthday boy.
You can do it, birthday boy. Oh, he want to do it? Okay, this could be his turn. Hey, y'all, we just got back home. It is what, 11 o'clock, DeCorys? It's 11 o'clock. We was doing the most on DeCorys' birthday, but I'm glad he had fun. Did you have fun, DeCorys?
Oh, yeah.
We went to dinner. Well, we did gifts and stuff earlier, as y'all saw. Then we went to dinner, and then we went to mini golfing, and we played some games and stuff. So it was so much fun. It was a lot of fun. So anyway, we hope y'all enjoyed the video. Say hi, Nobodo. Say hi, baby. Everybody's tired. It's 11 o'clock. They're usually in the bed by now. So we about to get them in the bed, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.